In today's world of 21st century, where technological galvanization is at its culmination and where the modern technological practices have become the basic necessity and need to achieve the daily operations and normalcy of lives. In this particular regard, the Provincial Assembly of Punjab has become a pioneer in transitioning to the digital legislative processes and actually have taken an unprecedented initiative to go paperless. Yes, in this particular regard, under the initiative of Chief Minister of Punjab and then the Speaker of Punjab Assembly, 380 iPads or tablets have been deployed in the Assembly Hall, which will be placed in every seat. And now the 371 members of the Provincial Assembly of Punjab will be facilitated in their agendas and in their assembly proceedings through these installed iPads on their seats. This initiative taken by the relevant authorities of the Provincial Assembly of Punjab and the Home Department of Punjab would lead to two obvious positive outcomes. Number one, with this transition to the digital legislative and governance system for the province of Punjab, millions of rupees could be saved that were earlier utilized to print the papers that were required to proceed the sessions of the House. And number two, with this unprecedented initiative, the Provincial Assembly of Punjab has also championed in the environmental sustainability. The huge chunks of papers that were initially produced and printed in order to facilitate the daily proceedings of the session and the House of Provincial Assembly of Punjab would not be continued, as once again the entire system has become paperless. And this would also not have any further consequences as far as the environmental degradation is concerned. In fact, the environmental sustainability has been promoted with this unprecedented initiative of the Provincial Assembly of Punjab.